If your old PC is getting buggy and slow, reason could be any. Junk files, heavy apps, malware. So with Microsoft PC Manager, you can easily get rid of all of these. Now, all the options of PC Manager comes with each laptop. What Microsoft did, they brought all the options under one roof in the form of PC Manager with some optimizations so you do not have to look here and there. Firstly, the app is divided into two major segments, that is cleanup and security. In the cleanup dashboard, we get a brief about our system status, like how much memory is being consumed and how much of temporary files are there. And by clicking boost, it will give an instant boost to the system and it can actually help lower devices a lot. Next is Health Check Center that will tell all the factors that are affecting your PC health and performance. It could be the items to be cleaned up, potential issues, startup apps that should be disabled if not used. In Storage Manager, you will get deep cleanup that will check where is the storage getting consumed and what all storage we can get back by removing temporary system files, cache memory, and so on. Next, it can help sort large files as if you are running low on storage. You can see what all large files are taking up space on one place instead of checking the whole system. Then comes Storage Sense that manages temporary storage on the system. In Storage Sense, check this option under cleanup temporary files so a lot of temporary files won't clutter in the background affecting performance of your PC. Next, enable automatic user intent cleanup and set a frequency of every week or according to the amount of data your PC is collecting in the form of temporary files. Next is process management, which will help you control the RAM use of your device by allowing you to end process that are eating up RAM in the background unnecessarily, like ending Edge browser when not being used makes sense, right? Next is startup apps. These apps auto start when you boot up. If your PC takes a lot of time to boot, reason could be these apps. So turn off the third-party apps and any app that you do not use. Each app has its own impact while booting up, so you can see the impact of each app and decide whether to enable it or turn it off. One thing to note, if any startup app is disabled, any function related to it will be also disabled and can lead to unexpected errors till you manually turn it on. Next is security department, where obviously Microsoft Defender will take care of your device from malicious programs by quickly scanning the system with some added options such as Windows updates, browser protection, and pop-up management. Before concluding, open PC Manager settings and turn on Smart Boost. So if any kind of activity arises that could affect PC performance, PC Manager will act on its own and take care of your device. In conclusion, I can only say if all this is not helping, you should just do this.